Hello guys, welcome. Today we are here with another fix. Here in this video, we will help you if Avast won't delete a virus from your computer. Avast is one of the antivirus software that has a mind of its own. They work fine for some times, and once you leave them be, they suddenly start acting weird. As we all use an antivirus to detect, protect, and neutralize a threat like malware or a virus, sometimes an antivirus fails. And Avast is no different from this issue. Though it doesn't happen all the time, this problem does occur even for top-ranking antiviruses out there. 2 simple steps to follow when Avast can't remove a virus. Step 1. Unhide your hidden folders. As some viruses cloak and hides in hidden folders, you have to unhide all the hidden folders. You can do this by going to the File and Folder options. First go to this PC, and then you'll have to go to View, and then you'll have to go to Options. As you can see, this is the File and Folder options. Select this options, select View, make sure to show hidden files, folders, and drives, and then apply and click on OK, and your hidden files will now be visible. And after making those hidden files visible, you'll have to now proceed to the next step. Start a scan with Microsoft Safety Scanner. Yes, we know how it sounds. What can a Microsoft scanner do when your antivirus isn't working right? But Microsoft Safety Scanner is powerful and effective in a lot of ways, especially powerful even than Avast. As it gets regular updates about the new viruses and their nature, you can definitely rely on them. In order to get Microsoft Safety Scanner, you'll have to go to your Chrome browser, after opening your Chrome browser, you'll have to type down Microsoft Safety Scanner. As you can see, Safety Scanner popped up. You go here, download. As you can see, we have the Microsoft website on top. Click on it, and if you have a 32-bit operating system, make sure you click on 32, and if you have a 64-bit operating system, click on 64. And as I have a 64-bit operating system, I'm going to click on 64-bit. As you can see, the download began, but I'm canceling it because I have already downloaded it in my folder. Now let's go to downloads, and as you can see, here is downloads. And then we'll have to install Microsoft Safety Scanner. As you can see, guys, we have the Microsoft Safety Scanner opened. Accept all terms and conditions. Click on next. And the main thing is that it will not only detect the virus, but will delete any of its remains in your system. So let's click on next again, and make sure you have selected the full scan menu, and click on next, and let your Microsoft Safety Scanner scan your entire device. And now you'll have to patiently wait until your system is fully scanned. But if I wait here, it will take hours. So make sure you're doing it at night before you're sleeping. And while you're sleeping, the scanner will complete its scanning and delete all the viruses from your computer. So guys, if you found these methods helpful, please do leave a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching this video. And subscribe to our channel if you are new here, because we share fixes like this regularly. So until we meet again next time, take care and stay safe. Goodbye.